Hey, what's going on, guys? Juan Martinez here. I just want to show you really quick how to set up a brand new wallet on your MetaMask app. Okay, so once you download the MetaMask app, you're going to go here and create a new wallet. Now, you can select between opening up your wallet with your Google account or your Apple account. I prefer using the secret recovery phrase because it's safer, and then you get to always have your 12 words and set everything up that way. So the first thing we're gonna do here is it's gonna ask us to create a password. One thing you do need to do is make sure that you are creating a password that is going to have multiple letters, one in capital letter, and at least a sign, a symbol. Okay, so we're not gonna do that actually. So let's go ahead and create a brand new password. So for example, we already have one there, which was test 1, 2, 3, 4, and the exclamation point. Here we're gonna do the same thing, right? So again, test, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the exclamation point. Now, so we matching the same password. Remember, at least 8 characters, letters, at least one capital letter, and at least one sign. That is a strong password. Now, you could mix this up. You could put in a pound sign. You could put in a dot, or you could do any other sign you want to. You don't have to necessarily copy this. This is just for the sake of the video. And once you create your password, it's gonna you're gonna check this box here that says, let me see, sorry, that says if you lose this password, MetaMask can now reset it. And this is true. If you lose your password, you will need your 12 words in order for you to recover your wallet. So because of that, you want to make sure that you keep this password safe so that you can go ahead and get into your wallet. If you do need to recover your wallet, let's say you lose your phone or it breaks, you need the 12 words. The same if you forget your password. So we're going to create the password here. And for the sake of this video, this is a test wallet. So it doesn't matter if you see the 12 words. However, for your own wallet, you do not share these words with nobody. You don't send it to nobody. You don't show it to nobody. You don't keep it on your phone. You write them down in a safe place or have an encrypted app that could keep your password safe. Okay, so again, never share your secret word. Okay, so for the sake of this video, you will see what the words are and what you want to do, and maybe you might want to write these down, and then sometimes what I do, I take a screenshot and then I save it in an encrypted app, right? But then again, you could go ahead and just write it down in a piece of paper, put it in your safe, or keep this away from people finding your wallet. This is like the keys of your house. If anybody have your keys, the thieves will go the people will go into your house and they will steal everything in your house. So you definitely don't want anybody to have these words. Again, this is a test wallet. Nobody's going to use this wallet, so it doesn't really matter. So now, for example, what you want to do once you get your 12 words is you want to write them down, and then you will try to figure out, and then it's going to ask you to confirm these words, and then you're going to be able to create your wallet. Now, let me give it a try. I'm going to try to memorize some of these words and then see if I can make it and put them in the right position. So I believe the third was crowd, the fourth was mystery, and then this one was prize. And look at that. I am amazing. So now that you did that correctly, right? Because you wrote it down and you verified it, correct? What you do is you go ahead and then you click on got it. Here it's going to tell you some like notification things. I would leave it just the way it is. I will click on continue. And that is how you create your MetaMask wallet. So once you create your wallet, one of the things that I like to do, guys, is I like to go into account, correct? Account. And I click on the 3 dots over here, and I click on account 1 over here, account name, and I like to change the name immediately, right? So I will go ahead and I put in test wallet. Sorry, I'm looking through the screen. Test wallet and confirm. And immediately you see here on top, right? You go back twice and look at that. So now you name your wallet and you know who this wallet belongs to. Okay, so that is how you create a brand new, fresh MetaMask wallet. Now, the next thing you want to do, especially for our team, is you want to go ahead and add the USDT BNB wallet into your MetaMask wallet. So you're going to click on tokens. You're going to click where it says popular networks, and you're going to look for the BNB wallet, right? BNB chain. We're going to click on that. And here you're going to click on the plus sign. You're going to wait for it to load. You could look up for the wallet, but luckily for us, USDT Tether from BNB with that yellow logo is right at the top. So we just check that box, click on next, and then click on import. So now what is going to happen is now your wallet is imported, and anytime you add USDT from the BNB network inside your MetaMask wallet, you will be able to see it here. Obviously, we got no funds in this wallet. We're not planning on adding any funds either. But at the end of the day, when you have crypto in here, you're going to be able to see the USDT from BNB there. So again, the main wallet or the main network that we use is Binance. Okay. So with that said, guys, that is how you create your MetaMask wallet inside of MetaMask. So with that said, thank you very much for watching the video. You already know, Juan Martinez signing off. Boom, Team Empire. Let's get it. Have a great day.